Let's be honest, eating healthy feels expensive, right? You walk into the grocery store, grab a few healthy items, and by the time you hit checkout, boom, your total nearly knocks the wind out of you. Meanwhile, your buddy just scored a fast food combo for $5. It's frustrating. You're trying to do the right thing for your health, but your wallet's not exactly cheering you on. But what if I told you there's a smarter way, a way to eat clean and save money, without sacrificing taste or nutrition? Because there is. And today, we're diving into budget-friendly healthy foods from Costco and Sam's Club that actually make sense, for your wallet and your body. Here's the truth, you don't need a celebrity diet or a fancy kitchen to stay fit. What you need is strategy, and the right shopping list. Because when you plan right, bulk stores like Costco and Sam's Club can literally become your secret weapon for eating healthy and saving big. Now, let's talk about the real reason most people fail at healthy eating. It's not motivation. It's not a lack of willpower. It's money. Studies show that people who believe healthy food is expensive are 3 times more likely to give up on their health goals. And that's tragic, because it's not about the price. It's about the plan. So here's my promise, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to buy, how to eat well without overspending, and how to turn your kitchen into your own budget-friendly health cafe. Alright, let's jump in. First up, frozen fruits and vegetables. Wait, before you roll your eyes, hear me out. These are not the sad, soggy veggies of the past. Today's frozen produce is flash frozen at peak ripeness, meaning it actually locks in more nutrients than most fresh produce that's been sitting in trucks for days. At Costco or Sam's, you can grab massive bags of organic mixed berries, broccoli, or spinach for a fraction of the cost. Picture this, it's Wednesday night. You're tired. You don't want to cook. You toss some frozen broccoli in a pan with olive oil, garlic, and a pinch of salt. Done. Add some grilled chicken, and boom, full dinner for under $3. Try getting that from a drive-thru. Next, rotisserie chicken. This one's the MVP of budget-friendly meals. Costco and Sam's both sell big, juicy, perfectly seasoned rotisserie chickens for under $6. You can't even buy the raw chicken for that price at most grocery stores. Here's the hack. Day 1, eat it fresh with veggies. Day 2, shred the leftovers into wraps or tacos. Day 3, toss the bones into a pot for a rich, homemade broth. 3 meals. 1 bird. $6. That's how you stretch healthy eating like a pro. Third, Greek yogurt and oats. Now this is an underrated power combo. Grab a big tub of plain Greek yogurt and a bag of rolled oats, both super cheap when you buy in bulk. Mix them together, add some frozen berries, a drizzle of honey, maybe a few chia seeds. And you've got yourself a breakfast that's high in protein, high in fiber, and low in cost. Instead of spending $6 on a sugar-loaded Starbucks parfait, you're eating a homemade version for under $1 per serving. Your body feels better, your energy lasts longer, and your wallet stays happy. Fourth, canned tuna and salmon. Here's the deal, protein is expensive. But at Costco or Sam's, you can grab wild-caught tuna or salmon in bulk for way less. And don't underestimate what you can do with it. Mix tuna with Greek yogurt instead of mayo, add some mustard and diced celery, boom, high-protein lunch that fuels your muscles and costs less than your daily coffee. Now for the pantry heroes, brown rice, quinoa, and beans. These are the kings of long-lasting, budget-friendly nutrition. You can grab a 10-pound bag of brown rice or quinoa at Costco for under $15, and it'll last you months. Beans. They're a protein powerhouse for pennies. Combine them with veggies, and you've got a satisfying meal that keeps you full, lean, and energized. Think of these as blank canvases. Add spices, sauces, or fresh toppings, and you can turn them into burrito bowls, Mediterranean salads, stir-fries, soups, you name it. Endless variety. Minimal cost. Now, let's bust a myth that keeps people stuck. You've probably heard this one: healthy food doesn't taste good. False. Completely false. That's only true when you don't season or combine foods properly. The reason restaurant meals taste amazing isn't magic, it's salt, spice, and texture. Buy your spices in bulk at Costco: paprika, garlic powder, chili flakes, turmeric, all cheap, all flavorful. A few cents worth of seasoning can turn bland chicken into something crave-worthy. Healthy eating isn't boring. Lazy cooking is. You deserve better meals than that. So, let's wrap this up with your key takeaways. Number 1, buy smart, not more. Focus on nutrient-dense staples, frozen produce, lean proteins, whole grains, and good fats. Number 2, plan ahead. Don't wait until you're starving to decide what to eat. Prepping a few bulk ingredients on Sunday can save you time, money, and willpower all week long. Number 3, use your freezer and leftovers like gold. They're not boring, they're your built-in safety net against expensive takeout. And here's a bonus tip: make your grocery cart match your goals. Every item you pick should help you feel good, look good, and live good. Simple as that. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your biggest struggle when it comes to eating healthy on a budget? Is it time? Motivation? Or just not knowing what to buy? Drop it in the comments, I read every single one. And if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because next week, I'm showing you how to meal prep 5 days of healthy lunches for under $20. You've got this. Healthy eating doesn't have to break the bank, it just takes a little strategy, a little consistency, and the belief that your health is worth investing in.